Good morning, students. Exercise number 2.2. Question number 1. Which of the drawing A to B so? So first matching with D, second matching with B, third matching with A, and fourth matching with C. Similarly, this one also. Some picture A to C are given below. Tell which of them below. A matching with C, B matching with A, and third matching with A. Sorry, second matching with A, third matching with B. And then third question. Look on the blackboard. Multiply and reduce the two lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. First part is that 7 into 3 upon 5. 7 into 3 upon 5, that is very simple. 7 3 ja 21 upon 5. This can't be reduced, so this is the answer. Second part, 4 into 1 upon 3, that 4 1 ja 4 upon 3. This is the answer. Third part, that 2 into 6 upon 7. Similarly, 2 6 ja 12 upon 7. This is the answer. Fourth part, 5 into 2 upon 9. That 5 2 ja 10 upon 9. Fifth part, that will be 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 into 4. That 2 4 ja 8 upon 3. Sixth part, 5 upon 2 into 6. That will be 6 5 ja 30 upon 2. This can be reduced. 2 1 ja 2 15 ja. That will be 15 answer. Sixth part. Seventh part. That seventh part, 11 into 4 upon 11 into 4 upon 7. That 11 4 ja 44 upon 7. Eighth part, that 20 into 4 upon 5. 20 into 4 upon 5. So 4 2 ja 8, 80 upon 5. That can be reduced. 15 16 ja. That 16 is answer. Ninth part, 13 into 1 upon 3. 13 1 ja 13 upon 3. This is the answer. 10th part, 15 into 3 upon 5. So 15 3 ja 45 upon 5. That also 5 1 ja 5 9 ja. That is the answer. Now the question number 4. Question number 4. First part. Let's see that 1 upon 2 of the circle in box A. Solution. 1 upon 2 of the circle in box A. So in box A, how many circles are there? 12. That will be 12. 2 6 ja 12. And then 6 1 ja 6. Second part, that will be 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 into upper triangle in box B. How many triangles are there? 9. So 3 3 ja 9. 2 3 ja 6. Third part, 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 of means multiply that how many square are there? There are 15 square. So 5 3 ja. So that will be 3 3 ja 9 is answer. Question number 5. A, 1 upon 2 of. First part, 24 into 1 upon 2. 2 12 ja. That will be 12. Second part, 46 into 1 upon 2, that cancel by 2 2 ja 2 3 ja, that 23 1 ja 23, and then more part is there, no, and then b part 2 upon 3 of first part is 18 into 2 upon 3 6 ja 18, that 6 2 ja 12. Second part of this one, 27 into 2 upon 3 9 ja 27, 9 2 ja 18. Then C question, 3 upon 4 of first part, that is 16 into 3 upon 4 4 ja 16, 4 3 ja 12. Second part of this one, 36 into 3 upon 4 9 ja, so 9 3 ja 27. D, 4 upon 5 of first part, that 20 into 4 upon 5 4 ja 16. Second part of this one, 35 into 4 upon 5 7 ja 35, 7 4 ja 28. Okay, now the question number 6 we will see. Just a minute. Sixth question. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So that will be a part 3 into 5 whole 1 upon 5. So first of all you can convert this thing in improper fraction. 5 3 5 5 25, 26 upon 5, and then after multiply 26 3 ja, so 6 3 6 ja 18, 3 6 1 7 upon 5, so that will be 5 15 ja and 3 upon 5. Or you can directly multiply also like this. If you are not like this question, this method, then you can choose 3 5 ja 15 and 3 1 ja 3 upon 5 also, right? Which method you like, it's your choice, but this is a good thing. If you will do 5 into 6 whole 3 upon 4, so 5 into 6 for 24, 25, 26, 27 upon 4, that will be 27 5 ja 5 7 ja 35, carry 3 5 ja 15, or 5 to 10 13 upon 4, and then mix in mixed fraction 4 3 ja 12, and then left 4 3 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12, left is 3 upon 4. C part, 7 into 2 whole 1 upon 4, then 7 into 4 to 8 1 9 upon 4, so 7 9 ja 63 upon 4, then in mixed fraction 4 1 ja 4, then left 4 5 ja 20, and then 3 upon 4. D part is 4 into 6 whole 1 upon 3, so 4 into 6 18 1 19 upon 3, that will be 19 4 ja 76 upon 3, and then convert in mixed fraction 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15, and 1 upon 3. E part. E part is 3 into 1 upon 4 into 6. Oh, sorry, 3 whole. So 3 4 ja 12, 13 upon 4 into 6. 13 6 ja 78 upon 4 in mixed fraction. That will be 4 1 ja, or you can do like this also. 4 1 ja 4, 3 8 4 9 ja 36, that 2 left. So 19 whole 2 upon 3, or this one can be reduced also, sorry, 4 2, so that will be 19 whole 1 upon 2. This will be the final answer. F part, 3 whole 2 upon 5 into 8. So 5 से 15 16 17 upon 5 into 8. 17 8 जा 126, 8 7 जा 6, 8 7 जा 36 56 upon 5, that convert in mixed fraction. 5 2 ja 10, and then left 3, 5 7 ja 35, 1 upon 5. The question number 7, find A part 1 upon 2 of first part 2 upon 3 4 into 1 upon 2, that will be 48 9 10 11 upon 4 into 1 upon 2. 11 1 ja 11, 4 2 ja 8. Second part, that will be 4 whole 2 upon 9, 4 whole 2 upon 9 into 1 upon 2. 9 4 36, 37 38 upon 9 into 1 upon 2. This can be reduced to 19 ja, so 19 upon 9, or in mixed fraction 9 2 ja 18, 1 upon 9. And then B part is 5 upon 8 of first part, that is 3 whole 5 upon 6, 3 whole 5 upon 6 into 5 upon 8. 6 3 ja 18, 18 5 23 upon 6 into 5 upon 8. Nobody can be cancelled. 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10 1 11 upon 8 6 ja 48. You can write in mixed fraction also. Second part, that will be 9 whole 2 upon 3, 9 whole 2 upon 3 into 5 upon 8 is equal to 9 से 27 28 29 upon 3 into 5 upon 8, and then multiply the both. 5 9 ja 45, carry 4, 5 to 10, 4 14, 8 3 ja 24. This is the answer. You can write in mixed fraction also. And then last question of this exercise is 8th. That is, Vaibhav and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contain 5 liters of water. So water is equal to 5 liter. Vidya consumed is equal to 2 upon 5 part. Pratap consumed remaining water. So first part is that is first part. How much water did Vidya consumed? So Vidya consumed is equal to 5. 5 plus 5 cancel, then 2 1 jar 2 liter. And then what fraction of the total quantity of water Pratap drink? Pratap drink part is equal to that 1 minus 2 upon 5. That 5 is LCM, 5 1 ja 2, that 3 upon 5 part. 3 upon 5